Welcome to my brand new training video coming to you from Clickbank Success Channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how to get unlimited amounts of quality traffic. Yes, that's right. Quality traffic and targeted traffic to your Clickbank affiliate link and start making $5,000 to $10,000 per month online in real affiliate commissions. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time on my YouTube channel, then make sure you smash the subscribe button. The subscribe button, it should be anywhere on this page below this video on the side. Just click that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. Leave a comment for me, give me a thumbs up, hit the like button, share this video. It will be appreciated. And yes, I'm going to talk about two traffic sources, all right, that I've used in the past, and I believe that these two traffic source has very good quality traffic and targeted traffic that you can make. Now when I say quality, I mean people who have buyers, people who have an intention to buy something, all right, and quality will come from countries as well, like United States and English speaking countries. When I say targeted, I mean people who are interested in learning how to make money online. In the case, if you are promoting an offer that's related to make money online. Now, if you're promoting an offer that's related to weight loss, then we're talking about traffic, people visiting your website who's really interested in learning how to lose weight. So that's called targeted traffic. Now, what we want to do, the concept is very simple. All right, what you do is, first of all, you go to a page like this, you send traffic, you create a page just similar like this one. Now this is a very easy, if you're using a tool like ClickFunnels, to create this type of page is very easy. You don't need experience, you don't need any kind of technical skills. It's a 5-minute job, my friend, and in that 5 minutes you could create a page just like this, okay, and start sending traffic to it. Now I do have the links in my description box below this video. You could get started with ClickFunnels with a trial. That's right, for 14 days trial, and then after that you will be billed. All right, so you can get started, but remember, when it comes to business, there are some kind of essential tools that you will need to take your business to the next level, and one of the tool you will need is a landing page builder, a software that could build your landing page, unless you have HTML skills and you want to do it yourself, or every time you create a landing page, you just hire someone. All right, otherwise, if you're going to do a lot of split testing and you're going to create different type of landing pages, you will need a tool to create those landing pages. Now it could be a free one or a paid one. I use a paid one and I recommend it because it's one of the best ones that I believe, and I've been with it for over 4 years and I love every part of that software. Okay, so if you want to get started with the same tool that I use to create my landing pages with a free trial, then link in the description box below this video. So you send traffic to a page just like that. People are going to enter their email, they're going to click on submit, and they're going to be redirected to an offer. Now it could be a Clickbank offer, it could be a Warrior Plus offer, it could be a Digistore offer, it could be your own product, and most people will not buy. Okay, that's how it works. Most people will not buy immediately. So what do? Then they are stored into an autoresponder, all right, and then you blast the email out. You give them some value, you help them out, and you send them the same offer. Remember, whatever you promote, make sure it's a real offer, it's an up-to-date offer, it's not some kind of garbage products out there. All right, so then they're gonna read your email, they're gonna see the offer, and when they keep on seeing that offer, that's how you're going to convince them to purchase the product. All right, and when they purchase a product, it's a win-win. You make a commission, they get what they need to create a successful internet business. That's how the simple concept works. Now the question is, okay, I get it, I need to send traffic to this page, all right, and I get it that I need to create a page like this, and it will become very easy using a done for you template that I could use using a ClickFunnels software. And if I want to join ClickFunnels, the links are going to be in the description box below this video. But my question is, how do I send quality traffic and targeted traffic? Where can I get this traffic from? All the top gurus are getting thousands and thousands of visitors every single day, but they're not sharing their secrets. I have decided to share my secret with you. I have decided to share two top traffic sources that you can use immediately to send traffic to a page like this and start getting subscribers and leads and start making sales and commissions. All right. Now, before I dive into the traffic network, I just want to talk a bit for a couple of 1 or 2 minutes. I just want to talk about one of the products and systems that could change your life permanently. That's right. Let me ask you a question. How many products have you seen and you've been jumping from one product to another product to another product? How many times have you done that? How many times have you logged into your Clickbank account expecting a sale, expecting a commission, but seeing zero results? How many times have you seen those BS products out there that doesn't deliver real value? What about if I show you something that's working right now, that's changing people's life, and that could allow you to make anywhere from 5,000, 10,000 plus per month in real affiliate commissions? Are you interested? If the answer is yes, then you have the opportunity to finally crack the code and take your business to the next level. You have the opportunity to quit your 9 to 5 job and start seeing some real results. Let me introduce you to a program that is changing people's lives. This is a program, this is a system that's helping people turn their zero ClickBank accounts into thousands of dollars every single month. If you want to learn all about this and how this system works, the link is going to be in the description box below this video. That's right. The link is going to be in the description box below this video, or you could head over to this link here. Okay, so let me just open it up for you. All right, so if you could head over to this link. Okay, this link here. If you can't find the link in the description box below this video, then here's the link. Okay, just head over to this link here. All right, so what is this? All right, what is this program? What is this system? This system is a program that could potentially change your life. All right, when you come to this program here, you can watch this video, look at this real ClickBank commissions. All right, so you could scroll down, you could read all the information. All right, you could see the testimonials here. All right, and what you're going to get, this is a very, very powerful program and a system that is changing people's lives. And you can see real testimonial. Check this out, $2,000 a week from a guy. And obviously the program and the system that's teaching the method, it works with Clickbank, it works with other affiliate networks as well. As you can see, this guy down here is promoting another program and he's made $401 in revenue. All right, so you could see here, you're going to get access to all this, okay? Module 1, Module 2, Module 3, Module 5. And then in the bonus, you could see more testimonies of people. Check this out. Look at these ClickBank results. These are real results, my friend. All right. You're going to get the performance and scaling calculator, the automated product selection worksheet. And guess what? This is priceless. Look at this one-on-one private coaching session. All right. So this is a real program. If you are really interested in changing your life and you believe that you are serious to create a real successful internet business, and so you can have more quality time to spend with your family and loved ones, then this is it. You could finally crack the code. So click the link in the description box below this video, or if you can't find the link in the description box below this video, just head over to this website address here. You're going to come to a page just like this and read all the information, watch the video, and then what you want to do is you want to click this green button down here. Okay, when you click this green button, you will able to access the program and activate this system. All right, this is a real program changing people's lives. I'm also a member of this program and I've already created a video in the past as well about this program. All right, so if you are really interested and you want to change your life and you're sick and tired of all the garbage out there, then this is it. You have finally an opportunity to change everything. All right, so let's dive back into our video, how to get unlimited traffic to your Clickbank affiliate links. We're going to talk about two traffic sources that I've used in the past where you can drive quality traffic and start building a list of subscribers very, very quickly, stop promoting offers and start making money online. So first traffic is this traffic source here. Okay, this guy has very quality traffic. If I scroll down, let me show you. Okay, look at this got three type of packages. I love the buyer package. You know what the buyer package means? He's gonna send you traffic from people who have at least purchased one internet product. Now remember, a person who has already purchased a one internet product is a buyer, and when a person's a buyer, he will continue to buy. That's how it works. Okay, that's how the business works. So I have purchased a lot of traffic, thousands and thousands of clicks from this guy in the past using the buyer package. I have also purchased the second package. Now this used to be 100% US package, but now he's changed it to tier 1 package, which means English speaking countries. Okay, so he has very, very quality traffic that you could tap into and start building a quality list. A lot of people have this question, oh, people are not sharing their secrets. I'm sharing my secrets with you. Are you really serious and willing to take action? That's my question. If you are, go ahead, take action. There you go. All the links are going to be in the description box below this video. I'm going to have a link for this in the description below this video. All my links are going to be in the description box below this video. All right, second traffic source, I've already spoke about this. All right, I'm going to say it again. Second traffic source that you can tap into is called trafficforme.com. All right, so you can log into your account, okay, and you have a couple of options down here: BizUp, crypto, internet marketing, health and diet, personal development, crypto, Bitcoin, and Forex. All right, so you just want to stick to BizUp, and then you have a couple of options. Wherever you hover your mouse, you can see on the right hand side, it's going to give you more information about the traffic. Now, according to my experience, I'm not saying the other traffic like these two packages or this package is not quality. No, it is quality traffic, but according to my testing that I done test in the past, all right, I have found that premium email traffic and new VIP email traffic has been one of the best traffic. Okay, it's got very, 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 very high quality traffic. I'm not even joking. All right, so I've given you two top traffic sources down here. Okay, so you can't complain that the gurus, I'm not even a guru. Okay, just to let you know, I'm not a guru. Yes, I am fortunate. I've made a lot of money on the internet, but I'm not a guru. But a lot of people have this kind of complaint, the gurus don't share their secret, they keep it to themselves. I'm sharing everything with you here on the silver platter for free. Now it's up to you to go ahead, take action, start building your business with a never giving up attitude. That's right, never giving up attitude is a must. If you have a giving up attitude, nothing's going to work for you. If you're someone who struggles or comes across a bump or a hump in the first 2-3 times and then say, oh, this doesn't work, this is all rubbish and this and that, this is not for you then. All right, because this is a business requires investment, business requires a strong mindset, business requires positivity, business requires you to have a never giving up attitude. All right, so I have shared two top traffic sources, links in the description box below this video. Go ahead, stop buying traffic. All right, if you don't have a landing page and you want to build one landing page using the software that I use, link in the description box below this video. Go ahead, take massive action, build that quick landing page, 5-minute landing page, split test 2 different landing pages. All right, and then start buying traffic and don't give up. Continue to fuel your business with traffic and continue to build your list with subscribers and keep on doing it, keep on doing it, keep on doing it, keep on doing it until you have 50,000 subscribers, 100,000 subscribers, 200,000 subscribers, 1 million subscribers, so you can make a lot of money potentially in the coming weeks, months and years. Look at this, look at this. Let me just show you live. Look at this. I'll just send this email out right now to 39,000 people. All right, 39,000 people just right now. Okay, just recently. That's why it's 0 open, 0 clicked at this moment, just a couple of minutes ago. In fact, down here it even says, all right, 49 seconds ago. Okay, according to Aweber, but it's been a couple of minutes now. All right, so look at this. This is the power of building a list. You have traffic at your disposal, and then you could blast traffic. You don't have to rely on networks. Okay, so I'm giving you two top traffic sources. Go ahead. All right, go ahead, buy traffic. If you do buy traffic from this, I do recommend a buyer package. All right, because you're getting real buyers, responsive people into your list. All right. And then if you're going to go for traffic for me, then I would recommend premium email or new VIP email traffic. If you want me to, if you're asking which one would you recommend from these two, premium and new, then I would recommend new VIP email traffic, because that is very quality traffic. Look at this, why it says all traffic is derived from the freshest and most engaged segment of publishers list. This means the visitor is more hot and ready for your offer. All right, so go there. You got the two traffic network. Go ahead, start taking massive action and keep on doing this. Keep on growing your list and focus on one thing. Stop jumping from one side to the other side to the other side to the other side, because you're not going to get anywhere. All right, so if you still haven't smashed the subscribe button, then smash that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give me a like, give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. It gives me a bit of encouragement to come out with some new training videos and give you some more content and more valuable information. Okay, so I hope you love this video. If you still haven't checked out this Clickbank machine, then I highly recommend go ahead, click the link in the description box below this video, or go ahead and go to this website address here. Activate this now. Don't wait till tomorrow. Don't wait till tomorrow. Oh, I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it next week. I'll do it after week. Tomorrow never comes, okay? You have family, you have other things to do, things come on your head, and everything is left over. Do it now. Go through the training, start taking massive action, and change your life permanently.